Hello friends, welcome back to our training video here on Chima Dedicated Today video channel. In this video I want to show you briefly on how to get your Ton wallet address from Bitget. Now the question is, why is this? Recently, if you look at most of the tap to earn crypto projects going on Telegram, many of them are using Bitget for whatever that's Bitget wallet. So many people are going to be having problem, being able to generate their address. And there's a way Bitget is built that if you don't get this right, you're going to land into trouble. I'm going to show you something right now. So the first point of call is to understand the difference between Bitget exchange and Bitget wallet. They are two different things. This is just an exchange, while this is Web3. Yes, and the particular wallet we are using is the one Bitget wallet, that's Web3 wallet, not the exchange. If you look at the two, they are different. So let it not be that you wanted to put something in your wallet and you copy the exchange address and you just send it there. And you'll be wondering, I didn't see my coin, I didn't see my token. So please use the Bitget wallet. So if you have only this one that is written Bitget, you are using an exchange, try to download the other one. You're going to see the two on your Play Store. Just register account with it. Now, and you know that when you have Bitget exchange, you must verify it to be able to do, because that's where a lot of trading and whatever goes on. But with Bitget wallet, you don't need all this verification. You can use it because it's a Web3 wallet. Now let's click on this place. I want to show you something. I want to copy a Ton address from this Bitget. It's opening up right now. Okay, so when you want to do this, you see that I have this here. I put this coin here yesterday just because of Ton, this Ton market whatever token that I requested for this. And I know so many people are looking for to do this. So once you are here, you're going to click on deposit. If you are seeing this deposit, you click, and this is under the home page. You can go to the wallet area. If you look at this wallet area here, you can also, most times if you go through that place, like I'm on wallet now, this is it. You can see what I'm seeing. It's just that way. Now, and that is very important. So please go to the wallet area. If you go to that place, don't start on that home page. Go to the wallet page down here, like I just showed you. Now, when you go to the wallet page, just watch. Most times, you're going to see the network you are going to see here. That's the chain you are going to see here. Is usually Ethereum. It's the default network. I don't know of your own, but check what is the default network. And that's where a lot of people are going to have problem. If what you are seeing here is Ethereum, and remember maybe where you want to send this token to, or where you want to send it from, you are sending from Ton network or Ton chain. You cannot use address on Ton chain and send to another address on another chain, on another network. So if you don't correct this, you're going to run into problem. So imagine what you have here is Ethereum, and you now come here to click on receive to copy your wallet. You'll be copying a wrong wallet. You'll be copying a very wrong wallet. So if you want to send some tons here, maybe from, let's say, your Telegram wallet or from elsewhere, from Binance or whatever, please make sure you already change this particular place to Ton network. Now let me click inside that place and show you some other networks. Are you seeing them? You see there's a Ethereum, BNB chain, Arbitrum, Tron network, Polygon network, Solana, so many of them. If you keep on scrolling, you're going to see Base, Lightning, Bitcoin. Now Tron is down there. So if you are seeing another thing outside Ton, please make sure you scroll to this one and click on Ton, so that Ton will be what you're going to find on that point. That's the chain you're going to use. It's only when you have now, you now click on, at this moment, now you have Ton here, you now click on receive. When you click on receive, now look at it. Now the question is, which coin do you want to receive under this Ton network? Maybe it's Ton. Now in that case, if it's that what I want to receive is USDT, I'm going to click on USDT. If it's this one, if it's any of this coin or not coin or dogs, or you getting it, or whatever, I click on that. Let me assume what I want to put here is Ton. I click on Ton. Now the system is going to generate later. I'm going to do this later. Generate the address for me, and this is the address. You can see every turn address like this starts always with UQ and all that. So at this moment, I'm going to click on this place. This, look at this. I click here to copy the address. I've copied the address now. So having copied it now, I can now go to my, sending wallet. Maybe somewhere, maybe on Binance or on Telegram wallet where I want to send this coin from. I will now go there. So when that place requests for the address, it is the address I copied. I'm going to paste there. Once I process it from that place, that coin will appear in this place. Very, very simple. Now, let me conclude this before I round off. Now, if you send a coin finally to this place, and now it's very possible you open your account here, and this network is still in another network. If it's on Ethereum network, but you have sent ton here, a coin on that ton network, the truth is that you will not see any coin. You will say, but they say they have sent coin for me. Make sure you still change it to this ton for you to see your coin. Because what you send under a particular chain will not go into the other chain. So do you understand? So for those of us who are battling on how to do this, quickly follow this video and learn how it's done. If you are new to the channel, if you're watching this video from our YouTube channel, please do wait to subscribe and don't fail to hit that notification bell, because we'll prepare videos like this that will guide you on how to do all of this stuff. Like this video and share so that others too can benefit from that. I'm also going to show you a video now on how to send. If you have coin on Telegram, maybe turn on Telegram wallet, you want to send it to this place, I will show you a video on how to do that. So make sure you follow up and watch our next video after this. Very important. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.